At 7:09, we are just 3 hours away from week 2 in the high-profile Brendan Banfield murder trial gripping the nation. Banfield is accused of working with the family's au pair to carry out a deadly plan, killing his wife and another man whom prosecutors say he planned to frame.
Now, jurors are now hearing two very different narratives on this one from prosecutors, one from the defense. Now, from opening statements to testimony from the prosecution's star witness, the former au pair herself, our Katie Lusso breaks down what we learned so far and what to watch out for today.
Juliana presents us with the narrative. It is the blood evidence that you can rely upon without a doubt.
It began with opening statements from the prosecution.
Digital forensics doesn't lie. People lie.
And then the defense. Jurors heard the 911 calls, the first from 7:47 the morning of February 24th, 2023. You only hear moaning, and it lasts only a few seconds. The second call made 15 minutes later.
I need help. There is my friend, she just was stuck in the knife now. She's bleeding a lot.
My name is Brendan Banfield. I'm a federal agent. This is my house. There's somebody here. I shot him.
Brendan Banfield wiping at tears as the full audio was played out, as well as body camera footage from several Fairfax County Police Department investigators who also took the stand.
I saw a female that was nude. She was covered in blood.
Why'd you let him wash his hands?
I felt bad for him.
The sixth person to take the stand, Juliana Perez Magalis. She was arrested in October of 2023. A year later, she agreed to testify against Brendan in exchange for a much lighter sentence. She described in detail how she and Brendan were having an affair and how Brendan came up with a plan to kill his wife, Christine, because divorce wasn't an option. She told the jurors that they created a profile on a fetish website, pretended to be Christine, and convinced a man named Joseph Ryan to come to the home the morning of February 24th, 2023, to play out this fantasy. That morning, the plan became a reality. Brendan shot Ryan and then turned to his wife.
He got on top of her, and that's when I first saw him stab her with a knife.
Juliana told the court he told her to shoot Ryan as well, claiming it was all part of Brendan's plan. The next day of testimony, Juliana was back on the stand, but this time the defense questioned her story. They focused a lot on the conversation she had after she was arrested with Brendan, his mother, who was paying for her attorney prior to her taking a plea deal, and conversations with a production company and about the amount of money she deserved to tell her story.
You were charged with murder because you shot someone. Am I wrong?
No, you're not.
And so why would you deserve something because of that?
I'm saying for after, when this is over, for me and my family. And again, for everything we've been through.
On Thursday, 9 people took the stand, DNA and forensics experts, as well as more investigators who shared crime scene photos and analysis of Brendan's jeans, as well as Juliana's shoes and socks. The prosecution told jurors they plan to call 2 more witnesses before they rest their case, and then the defense will start to call their witnesses. Katie Lusso, WUSA 9.
Our cameras are inside the courtroom with gavel-to-gavel coverage on WUSA 9 Plus and on WUSA 9's YouTube channel. That's also where you can catch up on the key moments and analysis from local experts.
And if you have a question for those experts, just text us at the number on your screen, 202-895-5599.